Hey, what's going on, guys? Matthew here, and today we are back in another video. So if you guys do enjoy this video, please drop a like and subscribe. That will be greatly appreciated. And today we are playing, wait, what's this? Oh, I think it's called Gravity Shift. So, um, I think I've already started playing this game before, so I'm on a higher level. I'm actually on, I'm on level 10. So that's pretty good. Ooh! Oh! Alright, so there we go. Gosh, this is like so weird. Oh gosh. I'm probably not even gonna finish a level today, guys, because this game is hard. Oh! There we go. Oh no! Man, I was so close. Alright, well. Alright. Oh! No! Oh! Oh my gosh, that was amazing. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There we go. Ooh. So guys, on Friday it will actually be a really cool video. So just stay tuned for Friday. On Friday we are gonna go to K1 Speed with my friend, and I'm just gonna kind of record me go like racing. So that's gonna be really fun. So stay tuned for that. And yeah. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh. Yeah. Dang it. What just what? What'd this guy say? What? Oh my god. if you guys didn't know, I actually have braces, and I'm getting them off next week. I think maybe even a little less than a week, so that will actually be really fun. So yeah. Wait, did I go the wrong way? What? This game is hard. Oh my gosh. Guys, if you were gonna play Gravity Shift, you have to really focus, first of all. And second of all, I mean, it's really hard. You have to have some serious skills to play this game. No! Darn it. No! Earlier I made, oh my gosh, this is so funny. So earlier I made a video, and I made the whole video like I was set and done. I'm like, yes. I go to edit it, and I play it, and it has no sound. And I'm like, oh my gosh. So that was painful, but I mean, it's hard, but how did I end up here again? How did I end up here? Wait, where? No, I am on this. Oh my gosh. Just press R. Oh my gosh, I just reset. No. Oh, 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 oh. No, I'm dead. Uh. Ooh. Alright, guys, well, we did not make it through this level. Guys, I'm telling you, this level is so hard, but you need to really have the talent to do this. But we didn't make it through this level, but we'll make it through another level next time, I promise. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please drop a like and subscribe. That will be greatly appreciated. And, yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!